Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, let's see what's coming up, Aquarius. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. So, for your general energies, I'll be picking cards from two decks. It's going to be like a pick a card. So, whichever card you want to get the reading from, you can watch that, guys. This is the first deck, and this is the second deck, Aquarius. So if you are interested to watch the second deck, you can go to the timestamp. I have given the timestamp in the description. You can skip to that timestamp and you can watch this second deck, guys. And I'll be picking one card from the Oracle Guidance deck for you all. We will open that card at last, guys. So for your daily energies, Aquarius, from the first deck, we are opening the cards. The Hangman in reverse, the Sun in reverse, the Judgment. With these cards, Aquarius, the energy for you all is that in your work situation or in your personal life, guys, this may relate to work and your personal life. So you are maybe in your work or personal life, there may be people who are really selfish, or this person you are with, they may be selfish, or they may think of you as a selfish person. Some decisions that you made, maybe that may may make them think in such a way that you are selfish, you are not thinking about them, you are not concerned about them, guys. And though you have that understanding, love in this relationship, some things are missing in this relationship, guys. That is the reason they think of you in such a way, or you think of them in such a way. That is what I see here. And maybe things are going well, but not up to your expectations. Maybe in your work situations, maybe the activities, maybe the routines, something is causing you that boredom. And you don't know what to do. Some kind of boredom is there because of those routines, or things are going as usual, maybe, and whatever results that you are getting, that may not be up to your expectations. So some kind of stress or sadness because of that. That is what I see here. So this is for this card, guys, the reading for these cards. So what about the second deck? We will see that now, Aquarius. For those who have chosen this deck, Letter, Whips and Cross. With these cards here, guys, the energy is that maybe for some of y'all, you are getting some important communication today, guys. Some announcements or some written letters, something communication happening, maybe in your work, or this may relate to your personal life, maybe from this person, some emails or greetings, or something is coming your way, guys. That is what I see here. Maybe for some of you all, it may be some contracts or reports, your business reports, or some kind of agreements in written documents. You are getting that today. That is what I feel here. And maybe for some of you all, you may be into some kind of repetitive activities, something which you have been doing some kind of repetitive activity you are into, that may be a reason for boredom. Maybe you are following some habits, detox diets or exercise, something you are doing every day. Or maybe for some of you all it may be some harmful habits, drinking, smoking, something that is creating some kind of something that is bad for your health and for yourself. So you need to keep that in moderation, guys. That is what I see here. And maybe Aquarius, for some of you all, you may be turning towards some form of faith, a belief. You may be doing some activities based on your belief, or some of you may be having some kind of spiritual awakening, guys. So all that suffering and trials, whatever that you have faced, you are able to find that peace or solace, comfort with some kind of belief, and you are turning towards that. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, things are really going well, guys, in your life. Maybe some kind of destiny is playing its part today, Aquarius. Maybe some destined good things are coming towards you, something profitable, some positive changes that you may be seeing today, something out of the blue that may be coming towards you. So that is what I see here with these cards. So let us see what is the card for your oracle's guidance, Aquarius. All that glitters. With this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your work situation or in your personal life, you have to see beyond that superficial, guys. Whatever that is on top, you need to go beyond that. In your relationship, maybe this person you are in connection with, maybe you are attracted to them physically, maybe because of that glitz and glamour. Maybe in truth they are something different. The essence of that person, you are not connecting to that. You need to see that. You need to connect with that deep truth in them. When you have eyes for that, truth in their heart of hearts, you will be able to make that deep connection, guys. So that is what this card is about. So even in your work situation, maybe certain deals that may be lucrative on the surface, that you may feel that it may work for the better for you, but you have to think it through, think deeply what you need to do. And you should not do something for sake of others to project yourself. You should do in your career, you should make that choices only when you have that true interest and true determination in that choice. So you should not choose something just by comparing yourself with others, or just to compete with others. So all that good things, all that is glittering, some choices that may not be that gold for you. So whatever works for you, you need to identify that. Only then you will reach that prosperity and success in your life, guys. So that is what this card is about. So maybe some opportunities, some people, they may look sparkling, beautiful, maybe they are, but you need to think through before you make that step, because better things are awaiting you, guys. So you need to think through before you make that next step. That is what this oracle guidance is about, Aquarius, and that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.